talk about one thing.
Hi,
CP family.
CP
Family.
CP.
Family.
Excuse me. So today we're gonna talk about. We're talking about again. She's over there, by the way.
What are we gonna talk about?
Self-image.
She wants to talk about self-image. That's her topic. These individuals will have certain topics they want to talk about. Okay?
We will ask them questions throughout the stuff.
Yes.
The question.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Hi. What is your name?
Hi, I'm Alex. I feel like that's the most important topic to talk about.
Today?
Anytime.
Oh, you think self-image? You want to talk about self-image all the time? That's what you want to do? Okay.
We're back. Hey, y'all. Anyways, we're back with our power. She just needed to do some stuff and take care of herself.
She has spaghetti sauce. So today's subject, the top. What's the topic?
The topic is POW WOW. And basically what we're doing is talking about things that we feel like we should work on and how others see, and that will give us advice too.
So try to have a more diverse, what's the word? A diverse approach. Or a diverse answer. Like beautiful is an image. Smart is your mental. Strong, okay.
Outgoing. I'm guessing.
So why do you feel you're outgoing?
I don't know. I just feel that.
Okay.
How about y'all start working about getting y'all stuff clean, because you're not gonna have no clean mind if your stuff is not organized and picked up. And that's true. If you have a messy room, you have a messy mind. If you have a clean room, you have a very, what's it called?
Like she been over there helping me declutter.
Mind.
I've been burning mail that I went through in years since 2018.
So I feel like you should start working on that every single day. Clean up every single day.
And I'm gonna have your checklist ready by the end of the week.
Okay.
So what do you feel you need to work on?
Getting myself together and organizing to get stuff together so it's not messy or anything.
And minding your own business.
And minding my own business.
And not being a people pleaser. And not being a people pleaser.
For sure, it's because
I honestly feel like it's so crazy.
I wanted to like
You ever
help
thought
people
of
set
like,
people like
how
waitress
people
and
just
stuff like
sit
that,
down
set them
and
like
just
get their
do
tables
stuff?
ready and stuff
Like,
like
have
that.
you ever tried to like be in somebody's mind before?
And
Okay.
I really
Just to see how they
Like,
think
I really
and
think
what
that
they were thinking when
so,
they
yeah,
did
I
what they
think
did or
that
said what they
that's
said.
the reason why I applied.
And see their mindset on different things.
Like their process
And then
of
I
thinking.
applied for the
Basically.
post,
Yeah.
which is good. If you know.
Yeah. Real life, we be doing stuff subconsciously because we're so used to doing it.
I know what else I think I
It'd
did
be
work
the
on.
wrong way to do it, you know?
And
the more we become aware, is the more somebody is more conscious in their subconscious.
Right. What about their intrusive thoughts?
But it's growth, though. You know?
It
It's comes with
is.
growth. Being aware of what you're doing and how you apply yourself.
What did you say?
I said I know what else I think I need to work on. My attitude. I'm getting along with people.
Why do you care about getting along with people? Just be nice and be respectful and keep it pushing. You shouldn't really care about if someone likes you or not.
I'm talking about as like grown folks, like respect the grown folks, like mom, you, Asia, everyone else in the real world and stuff like that. That's what I mean.
You should also respect your peers.
These are Bonnet Chronicles of Will. I feel like everybody should have had a bonnet on. Go get your bonnet.
Thing that I need to really change and really start respecting adults like I should be, and respecting you like I should be.
I showed you how to part. Remember, from your nose. Come on. Now straight.
Okay. So, hey.
We're back again, but with another one. Okay, y'all. We're back again with the.
We are here with.
Alexi.
We're gonna
talk about.
I was trying to, you know how to be freezing like.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. And go. All right, so we have Alexi here, and we're gonna ask her to name.
The topic.
Hold on, I have a brain for it. What she just do in 3 words?
Named, said something about myself that,
Describe.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
I'm beautiful, I'm unique, and I'm strong.
Okay, that's a diverse answer. That was a good answer. Why do you feel unique? What do you do that's unique? What is unique about yourself?
I'm a furry.
A furry? Okay, let me explain this to you guys. Basically, I'm gonna explain to you.
What's a fury? What's a fury?
It's
fury like
furry.
Furry like
Okay.
FURY.
Let me explain to you.
Okay.
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna explain to you guys what a furry is. So a furry is somebody who identify as an animal. So it could be a dog, wolf, cat, anything. And basically, they act like an animal. They eat like an animal, drink like an animal, use the bathroom as an animal, sleep like an animal. They also just use the language of an animal. What furry are you?
A wolf.
How do wolves act?
Everybody say CP family.
CP family!